Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we test, dissect, and recommend only the best tech products on the market. Today, we're diving into a gem that sits confidently at the top of its category, the Audio-Technica and LP70X. If you're on the hunt for the best condenser microphones under $100, you might want to take a detour, because this turntable might just steal the show in your audio setup. Let's be honest, in an age of digital streaming and smart speakers, there's still something magical about vinyl. The Audio-Technica and LP70X is here to bring that magic into your space, and it does it with style, ease, and surprisingly powerful performance for its price point. Right out of the box, the LP70X feels premium. It's fully automatic, which means no manual lifting of the tone arm, just press a button and your record plays. It's the kind of convenience beginners dream of and audiophiles secretly love when no one's looking. The matte black finish looks modern, understated, and slick enough to fit in any setup, whether that's a dedicated listening room or your living room bookshelf. The automatic return at the end of your record protects both your vinyl and the stylus, which is especially great if you're multitasking or just relaxing. One feature that deserves praise is the anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter. This might sound like a niche detail, but it matters. It reduces vibration, which means a cleaner sound with less distortion. It's the kind of engineering detail you usually find in much more expensive models. Another bonus is the USB output, which lets you digitize your vinyl collection. So if you've got some rare records or personal favorites, you can convert them into high-quality digital files without much hassle. Specs-wise, the LP70X spins at 33-1/3 and 45 RPM and includes an adapter for 7-inch singles. That covers nearly all the vinyl formats you're likely to own. The cartridge is pre-aligned on an integral head shell, which takes the guesswork out of setup. Less fiddling, more listening. It's ideal for beginners who want something that works right out of the box, but it's also perfect for seasoned vinyl lovers who want a second deck in another room or an easy way to digitize their collection. If you're budget conscious but still crave high fidelity, this hits the sweet spot. There are only about 20 units left in stock at the moment, and with limited shipping availability depending on your region, it might be wise to act fast if this feels like your next upgrade. If you've been waiting for the right excuse to start or restart your vinyl journey, this is it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what turntable or audio gear you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and remember, better sound starts with better gear. See you in the next video.